cat, get away from me.
Alright, we're gonna blow up soap in the microwave. It takes 3 minutes.
I don't know, that's what it sounds
This
might be the best.
Look at all those papers.
And I grabbed some.
Don't eat it.
No, we gotta blow it up.
Oh, it's 10.
We actually have 14.
It's getting bigger. Look, do you see
Smells
it?
like soap. That's gross.
It smells like it does though. Oh,
Is it getting bigger?
I don't even know. I can't see.
Oh, I guess we'll just have to wait.
Pause it and look.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Ooh, it smells nice in here.
That's gonna be like, why does it smell like my soap in here?
Oh, because, we went around the soap spray.
The soap spray.
So.
Didn't put it in the microwave or anything.
Oh, Jesus.
I didn't see.
Smells
What?
like soap.
I didn't see.
It is huge.
Oh, I hate this. Let's leave it until 1:30. No, should we?
1:30?
No, like the.
I knew that.
Yeah, let's heat it up for another hour.
Yeah.
An hour later.
Well, it doesn't smell like it's burning, so I think we can still keep it in.
It smells like crap.
It smells like soap.
I wonder how it does that.
Let's state a hypothesis.
Okay, it's starting. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That is soap. It still says like Dove on it.
It's hot. It does.
It still says Dove.
It feels chunky.
I wonder what it feels like when you touch it.
I don't want to touch it.
It's really hot.
Touch.
Ew, it's hard still. That's gross. Ew, what the hell?
What do we do with it?
Throw it out.
Wait, like, I want to videotape this.
So, guys, this is what soap in the microwave looks like.
Can I, like, hold it?
The microwave smells good.
Oh, this is nice.
Put it back on there for your dad to use. He'll go and use the soap. What the heck?
No, seriously, let's go put it back. Seriously, let's go put it back.
Oh, tomorrow's April Fool's.
That's good.
Oh my god, yeah, that's a good idea.
We're gonna make him use this.
Don't say anything about it.
Where was it?
It was up there.
Where?
Up here.
Okay.
What do we do with
No, I
that?
have a better idea. Let's put this here and, like, put this in the shower.
Awkward.
Will the soap like melt?
What?
Alright, that's it, guys.